Very secret that I tell you can turn into ammo. Loyalty is rare as an AK and Casper collabo. It's crazy cause we were done before I finished this. I knew I never should have trusted that you innocent. Cause now you're out here leaving me for a businessman. How am I supposed to believe that you was genuine? I mean, does he open the new gifts? Don't make me a better person. Before I really thought that we would prove my niggas wrong, but they not, so we love and we learn. I used to think also heard a lot of things about you, and I know half of it is true. Don't you try and act innocent like you ain't done some wicked shit. But I'm still here treating you like I'm your first, pretending that loving you can never hurt. Like I ain't bothered when you party with my enemies, but honestly I'm not as strong as I pretend to be.